Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. As we know that Infosys announced the 2026 SP DSE mass hiring. In the complete video, I am sharing the updated resume format that is shortlisted, and this is a step-by-step registration video. We have no paid courses like things on our channel because I am from tier 3 college and my main aim is like every candidate got the best opportunity in all of the companies. So apply for all opportunity, like and share the video. You see I am sharing each and every update with all of you with the latest information. So same in the video I am sharing the updated resume format, so you can update your resume, then you have to apply for opportunity. In the single LinkedIn post I mention each and everything about everything like official notification, resume format. When you click on apply now button, SP off campus registration April 2026 is there, and this is the resume format. And you can similarly check from official notification as well, that is posted by their one of their talent acquisition leader. Okay, so like SP off campus registration April 26. So how to register for opportunity? First of all, you will find all the resume format is on our website. Resume format number link 1 and 2 number link. Okay, link number 2 will be there, so you can find, just download this resume and just update your resume before applying. First of all, they are asking basic details, your email ID, first name, last name. So I am putting. After email ID, this type of form will be open and we have to complete this response. Total 89 number. First of all, choose your gender, and then we have to put the first name. You have to upload your resume. I suggest please update your. Then you have to choose your date of birth here. So date of birth is 99 September. Then citizenship you have to choose. You can mention Indian. Do you have passport? If you have, yes. Address for communication, you have to mention your street. Now the main thing will become, they are asking your 10th SSCL junior equivalent details. So we have to fill very carefully. Now here we have to choose the secondary living certificate, and we have to put the name of school, board, specialization, state, passing month and year. Please be careful while choosing these details. You can check your result. Okay, I am putting details. Okay, do you have any active backlog? No. Gap in education? No. Then next page will be open. Have you undergo any selection process? Age were Infosys BPM consulting previously. If you select yes, they will ask this type of question when you register. Otherwise you have to select no. Are you employed as a director? No. Part A, have you been tried? No. Then next page, now you have to upload your college photo identity card or government ID proof. Please do not upload Aadhaar card. They clearly mention you can upload PAN card, other identity card. Okay, so college identity card you have to put here. Then you have to select the next option here. Then you have to put the place here, enter your full name. Okay, we put it here. I am not a robot, I am a human. So just submit the form. Thank you for filling the form, Infosys Limited recruitment. This type of process you have to done, and this is a step-by-step registration video. Hope you find this video well. Thanks for watching the video.